Hello, welcome to the first module of this course. I'm extremely glad you have selected this course and you're proceeding with the first module. You know, I could have easily started with the tricks and tips on how to improve your communication so that the people you're communicating with, you will build a strong communication with them and build a strong relationship. But you know what? I don't want you to improve your communication on the surface level. I want you to get benefit of this course and learn the tricks and tips which will help you on the deeper level. So I have built this course in such a way which will help you to build your foundation first, and then the upper layer will play its role. So it is crucial, if you want your trees to give you tasty and bigger fruits, you have to work on the foundation of the tree, which are the roots. And in this case, your communication roots are, your people skill roots are emotional intelligence. Absolutely. From childhood, we have told that we have to study hard. We have to memorize things. We have to get good marks so that we can get a good job, so that we can be good at what we do. And I certainly agree with that. We have to be best at the core things which we are doing. But with that, the important component is people skills. If you don't have people skills, you won't be able to succeed in any of the sphere of life. If your technical skills is 15%, then your non-technical skills are 85%, which are also your communication skills. The way you interact with people, the way you communicate with people, the way you engage with people, and that will define your success majorly in your life. And when I'm saying success, it doesn't mean professional success only. It means success in your social sphere. It means success in your personal sphere. It means success with your spouse. It means success with your clients. It means success with your colleagues. It means building a strong communication with whomever you are coming across with. You are able to create a strong bond between two peoples when they're interacting. So do you want to learn these essential skills so it can deeply ingrain you, and no matter what situation you come across, you will be able to deal with that situation with the people tactfully, intelligently, and so that you can build a stronger connection with them. I have been so fortunate in my life. In the initial stage of my career, when I have just started my career, I have took a job which was led to intense traveling all over the country. So during my initial stage of career, I have visited almost 12 states. In that duration, I was able to interact with many people with different culture, with different background, with different behaviors. And I was so fortunate that I was able to connect with them. I was able to build a strong connection with them, and most of them are still connected with me. And at that time, I realized how important is communication skills. The way you interact with people, the way you communicate with people is so important. And after that, I have worked in a business development sphere for almost 2 years. And when I was in business development, I was able to connect with many clients during that time. I was able to interact with them, to build communication with them. And during that time, I was thoroughly studying the human mind, how the human behaviors are. And these experiences have led me to understand that it is so crucial to have known social skills and how to interact with people. And so this emotional intelligence is so crucial. Emotional intelligence is also called emotional quotient. So higher your emotional quotient is, the better you will be able to interact with people, the better you will be able to communicate with people, the better you will be able to understand others' emotions. And this is something which can be improved as well. So this entire course will not about only the knowledge, but it will also be the implementation part. With every module, there will be a workspace for you. And after you have implemented the things which you have learned in a module, you have to do in the worksheet, and then you can proceed with the next module. And this is how this module, this course will help you. You have to implement the things which you are learning, then only it will be helpful to you to improve your communication skills, to improve your people skills, the way you interact with people. I have studied emotional intelligence, and one of the best person I have referred was Daniel Goleman. He is a psychologist, and according to him, emotional intelligence have 5 important components. And in the next video, we will discuss what these components are, and there is also a worksheet which we will discuss in the next video. See you in the next video.